Okay, y'all want to hear a little story? Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude who decided to set off on an amazing motorcycle travel adventure. Well, morning everybody. Boy, it's a little nippy this morning. Here's how you can officially tell when it's really fall, okay? You know, you try to go by all this other stuff, the leaves changing. The truth is, when old biker dude puts on a shirt with sleeves and starts wearing his toboggan, it's fall, okay? Remember that. You know, truth be told, I could get spoiled on staying at this place right here. This place is absolutely lovely. And I'm in a kind of a secluded part of the campground. I'm not really near many people or anything. And I really got used to this. But today I'm going to be packing up and I'm going to take a little trip down. I believe I'm going to stay in Maggie Valley a day before I head down into Georgia. We'll drop by my favorite campground, which is the Appalachian Pond Campground right near Maggie Valley. Those are my friends there that have that place, and it's just there's a campsite there that's just my very favorite out of everywhere I've ever been. It's just perfectly situated. I've featured it in past videos, but I believe that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to work me up some coffee here the old-fashioned way and then start packing camp up. Go the nice simple route on breakfast this morning. Just gonna make me some eggs and cheese. Got these 3 eggs here I need to gobble up because I'm gonna hit the store today for a little groceries. I might as well grab some eggs while I'm there. And oh, here's one for you. Look at my fancy new spatula I bought at Walmart for $4.67. I had actually gotten a couple of comments on one of my videos about did I not have a spatula because I was turning over my blueberry pancakes with a piece of cardboard. And I remember that one subscriber that asked me about that. Some pretty eggs. See that deep dark orange color in those farm fresh eggs from my neighbor? Man, whew. Those sure do look good. Flip them over without busting the yellows, so that's a good first effort with my new spatula. Nothing sticks to this pan. That's what's so great about it. It's just seasoned so well that nothing will stick to it. I wouldn't trade this pan for anything. That's why I keep on using it. I know it looks kind of old, and it is. A lot of my stuff is old. My stove is 25 years old. My old percolator was probably that old. That's breakfast this morning. Sprinkle a little cheese on it. Man, that's yummy with that cheese on there. Oh yeah, fresh coffee. Oh, that's good. Yeah, well, like I was saying, I'm gonna venture on down to Maggie Valley today. Ride the parkway back down there to Waynesville and get off. Maybe do a little filming off one of the overlooks there. And see what I can get into down there. You know, there's just something about motorcycle travel. That's the first car I've seen in like 5 minutes. But, you know, when you take just a look at that right there, you picture, this is how you're getting around, you know, on a motorcycle. It's you know, sort of that pioneering spirit, I guess. I've pretty much been able to figure out that I don't really need to carry that 7-gallon water container full of water. So far I'm on day number 4, and I have only used about 3 gallons of water. So I'm probably just going to start carrying about 4 1-gallon containers. And that includes washing all my dishes and everything. Because I mean, you learn how to do it with, you know, a minimum amount of stuff. I just heat my water on the stove and, you know, pour it into the dishes themselves. Sometimes I'll use a dish pan. I got a collapsible sink, but the most use that thing gets usually is as sort of like a little collect tray inside my trailer for loose articles and stuff. And that'll help. That'll also free me up a lot of space on the inside of the trailer too. But right now I'm just riding on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Well, actually I just got off of it on Highway 276. I'm headed over here towards Waynesville. I think I'm gonna go stay at the Appalachian Pond Campground for a couple of days and set up house there where I can, you know, get around on my motorcycle and move around in the area. Maybe get to go fishing. I don't know if their season ended up here on the 15th or not. Anyway, I'm going to film a little bit of going down 276. This is just one of the most beautiful roads in the southeast, especially now with the leaves changing. All right, let's get back out here. Looks like I'm gonna be due for a little trip to D2 Power Sports in Greer, South Carolina here shortly. Get my service done on my motorcycle. Get my valves adjusted. Probably get brakes put on the front of this thing. That's the Indian dealer. Y'all might have seen a video I did on them here a little while back. It's a fantastic dealership. Live anywhere in that area, I just strongly recommend D2 Power Sports. I live 80 miles away, but I still prefer for them to do all the work on my bike. Just noticed I'm a little bit low on fuel. Just hit my warning light, but I'm only about 15 miles from Waynesville. Most of this is going to be downhill, so I should be okay. This sure is a nice ride through here today, though. This is just absolutely beautiful. Hope y'all can see that rear view there. I forgot to put my camera on backwards, so it's facing me instead of frontwards. But I imagine y'all still get a good look at it back there. This is amazing right now. Found me a gas station. Kind of out here in the middle of nowhere. Right up my alley, because I was getting down there near the line. 4.3 gallons in my 5-gallon tank. So, and I had almost another gallon of gas. Of course, when you're cruising up and down these big steep 8 and 9% grades out here, pulling a 500-pound trailer full of cargo, 0.7 gallons doesn't take you very far. When I see that warning light come on when I'm up here in this area, it usually makes me pretty nervous, but Campground. Always thought this was a cool little entryway right here. Kind of takes your blood pressure down about 10 or 15 points. My very favorite camping spot is right here. That is my favorite campsite right there in front of us. That's where I'm going to be set up. Just got to figure out how to get up the hill with this big heavy rig here. Not exactly sure which way I'm going to do this. Okay, let's go off-road. Breaking loose right there. Okay. Well. Oh golly, the old man still got it. Well, okay then. Bunkhouse deployed. And it is 6:41. I guess that took about 18 or 20 minutes, something like that. All right then, I'm okay with that. All right, we'll do a little walk around the bunkhouse. I did a much better job this time of squaring things away and getting them tighter. See, the walls are straighter. I've got everything nailed down. Got that tarp under the yada room, or the extra room. And just really happy with this. Everything come out good. I'm an old biker dude, man.